traders, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. As you can see, I have a new screen set up. The reason is that I have fully switched from MT4 to TradingView by popular request. But if you really want to know the specific reason why I made this switch, head over to the description and click on the link that is attached with the read more and see the specific reason why I made this switch. There are some interesting setups for this coming week in the EURGBP, the GBPCHF, and the USDCHF. We have EURGBP on the screen already, and it is the first pair on the watch list. So let us start by analyzing it. We can see that the EURGBP has had about 5 to 6 weeks of consolidation, and this consolidation has brought out a very interesting market structure in the form of a falling wedge. EURGBP, whilst within the confines of the falling wedge, remains neutral, but a break of the resistance of the wedge or a break of the support of the wedge would bring out the best in EURGBP. So for the breakouts, additional levels that we could be looking at aside the resistance and the support are the weekly highs and lows. The weekly high of the EURGBP comes in at the 0.91218, and the weekly low of the EURGBP also comes in at the 0.90056. So watch the highs and lows in confluence with the normal diagonal support and resistance levels for the breakouts, and also be cautious of false breaks in these setups. The second pair on the watch list for the week is the GBPCHF. It is a negative correlation counterpart of the EURGBP. So one thing to note is that the EURGBP and GBPCHF would rarely move in one direction. That is one clue to see to strike a profitable trade. So the GBPCHF is also trading in a triangle of sorts. It has been choppy throughout some weeks for now, and it's still within the confines of the market structure that is present on it. The closest it comes to is being a triangle. As long as the GBPCHF remains within the confines of the triangle, the choppiness goes on. But then the direction of the EURGBP would be the GBPCHF would be determined when the breakout occurs. A break of the resistance of the triangle could be bullish for the GBPCHF. Conversely, a break of the support of the triangle could be bearish for the GBPCHF. Here also, the weekly lows and highs should be looked at in confluence with the normal support and resistance levels. The weekly low comes in at the 1.17557, and the weekly high comes in at the 1.19176. Our last pair on the watch list for the week is the USDCHF. The USDCHF is rather trading in a mini ascending triangle, and as long as it is within the zone of the ascending triangle, the USDCHF goes on with its recent choppiness. A break of the support of the triangle or a break of the resistance of the triangle could prove directional for the USDCHF. The way this pattern is set up, I'll be looking more towards a break to the downside. We have our pivot level that coincides with the support of the ascending triangle. The pivot level comes in at the 0.91247. So a break of the pivot level together with the support of the triangle could prove bearish for the USDCHF. So that is it for the coming week. I want you to leave reviews of what you think about analyzing on TradingView and analyzing on MT4 and what you would really prefer. I hope to see you next week, and I wish you a profitable trading week. But before we go on, I say my goodbyes. We have to look at the economic calendar, and we have a fully packed calendar for next week. So be very, very cautious when trading. Monday throughout Friday is packed with loads and loads of economic reports. It's a goodbye for now. See you next week.